Here I have a Golang website that is trying to load a main CSS file and a Golang JPEG file. Both requests return a 404 response. If I go in my project, I have an UI directory with a static directory with CSS and main CSS and an image with Golang JPEG. Now to serve these files, we need a file server. So I'll go here and do file server equals HTTP file server, to which we need to pass the directory we want to serve. In our case, it's .ui/static. Then we'll need to add a route to serve these files. We'll do mux handle get/static, and very important, we need to add another slash to turn this into a subtree route. And then we'll do HTTP strip prefix/static and pass it the file server. The reason we're removing the static prefix from the route path is because we already have it here. Otherwise, we'll end up with file paths that look like UI static and then the file. That's why we are removing this one. Now, if I save and restart the server, go in the browser and refresh, here's the image and the styles. Both are successfully loaded. Now, another scenario in which you might want to serve files is when you're dealing with protected files. Files that you only want a specific set of users to be able to access them. In that case, you'll add another route. You'll do mux handle func get, let's say, ebook. I'll do get ebook. Go to my handlers file, create a new function. We'll receive the response writer, the request pointer, and then we'll do our checks. Check if user bought the ebook. And if this is true, we can go ahead and do HTTP serve file, pass it the response writer, the request, and then the path of the file we want to serve. In our case, UI protected PDF ebook. I'll open up the home page, go ahead and add an anchor, ebook, download my ebook. I'll hit save, restart the server, go in the browser, refresh. Here is the link. Once I click it, we have our ebook. And that's how you can serve static files in Golang. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe, click the bell button, all that good stuff.